Okay, so if you break your denominators down into their primes, that might help figure out what the common denominator is. So for 25, I'd break it down into 5 times 5. For 60, that's 5 times 12, but 12 you can break down to 3 times 4. So 5 times 3 times 4. And then for 12, and then I guess you can break 4 down again, but let's just leave it here at 3 times 4. Because now when I look for a common denominator, I notice that these two denominators have 3's and 4's in it, but this guy's missing a 5. If I put a 5 on the bottom here, then I have to multiply the top by 5. Now these denominators are starting to look the same, but they don't look like this one. This one's missing a 3 and a 4. So if I multiply by 3 and 4, top and bottom. Now this has a 5, 5, 3, 4. This has a 5, 3, 4, so I need to multiply it by 5, top and bottom. And this one's missing another 5, so top and bottom. Okay, now you can go ahead and use your calculator, take the 25 times the 12, and come up with 300. And then the 13 times 12, and get 156. Okay, and again, this is going to be a denominator of 300 plus 35. And then 5 times 5 times 1 over 300. Now that the denominator is the same, you can go ahead and add the numerators. You will have to reduce the fraction down at the end, though, but now you have the common denominator and you're allowed to add the fractions up.